Publytics is an alternative to Google Analytics that doesn't use cookie tracking, complies with regulations like GDPR, CCPA, and PECR, and has servers in Finland and Germany. It allows you to maintain your data history since you can import data from Universal Analytics. It also enables real-time, precise, and unsampled data monitoring. Furthermore, they provide tools for measuring the performance of different editorial teams and a lightweight script that doesn't affect page speed metrics. This platform is specifically designed for publishers and blog owners, offering flexibility in report customization and access for multiple users. Moreover, the interface closely resembles Universal Analytics, making it a good alternative if you're finding the transition challenging. In short, it has several advantages that can be incredibly useful if you're considering an alternative web measurement tool. Dashboard. This section provides a comprehensive report with some interesting data such as user statistics, sessions, bounce rate, and average session duration. You will also find the primary sources of traffic, and particularly interesting for measuring link building, the referral sources. Finally, you can check the countries from which your audience is arriving. Real-time. The real-time report is particularly comprehensive, displaying active users, page visits, URLs, and traffic sources. Also, the content that users have been viewing, the sources and mediums through which they arrived, and if you've configured events in the installation code, the actions that users have taken on your website. Additional features within the reports. You can add different dimensions to the reports. Furthermore, you can export reports in CSV or PDF format, ideal for sharing with clients, search for URLs, or use advanced filters. These features can be found in all the reports we'll cover in this tutorial. Audience. In the device report, you will find the devices from which your audience has connected. This report is particularly valuable if you need to optimize your web design. In the country report, you will learn about the countries of your users. We also have reports on the operating system and on the browser. Content. This section allows you to know the most popular content on our website. The reports can be sorted by default by page views, sessions, unique views, and the average bounce rate on each URL. Acquisition. In entry pages, we will discover the URLs through which our users access the website. And in exit pages, we will see the URLs through which users leave. In this report, you can analyze user leaks and make design changes or add a pop-up to keep them on the site for longer or engage them in some way, such as by asking them to subscribe to your newsletter. Furthermore, we have other reports like referral traffic or sources. The latter is very useful for checking our link building strategy. Events. If you've configured them previously in this section, you will find the events generated by the URLs on the website. Network dashboard. This feature allows you to add more than one URL for multi-domain tracking. Fantastic for measuring multiple websites in a unified dashboard. Site import. You can import data from Universal Analytics to view it in Publytics. If you have your website tied to Google Analytics and have been reluctant to lose your historical data, this tool will be helpful in recovering it. Publytics UTM Builder. If you want to segment the visitor data that arrives in Publytics, you can use the following link tagging tool. It's perfect for adding sources, mediums, or campaign names, and then visualizing them on your dashboard. Pricing. Publytics offers straightforward pricing tailored to your needs based on your website's page views. Plans start at just €5 per month for up to 10,000 page views. If you opt for an annual subscription, you'll have a 2-month discount. Get started with a free 14-day trial by visiting publytics.net.